In this episode, we're going to discuss how to syllabicate vowel teams. Did you know that a syllable is a single sound of a spoken or written unbroken word? Some words have more than one syllable. When you are trying to read words that has many syllables, it might be hard to do. So we can break the word apart to make it easier to read. Let's take a look at this word. The first thing you need to do is find the vowel and the vowel team. So, in this word, the vowel team is EA and the vowel is E. Now, find the consonants in between the vowels. Next, bridge the vowels. Draw a line between the consonants. Now the word is broken up. The first part of the word is L-E-A-F. We know that if a syllable has a vowel team, it makes the long sound. So we would pronounce this leaf. The second part is L-E-T. We know that if a syllable ends with a consonant, the vowel makes a short vowel sound. So we would pronounce this let. When we put it together, we get the word leaflet. Now let's practice a few on your own. I'll show you a word, and then you'll pause the video and syllabicate the word. Then press play to check your answer. Let's start with this word. Pause the video and syllabicate this word. Then press play to check your answer. Here's the answer. How did you do? Let's try one more. Pause the video and syllabicate this word. Then press play to check your answer. Here's the answer. How did you do? I hope you like this lesson on vowel teams. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to learn more, check out my TPT store for more activities.